The 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on-off, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.